We're so close to the PEP exams that I can almost feel the nerve. But feeling nervous is natural, unless you haven't been studying. You are studying, right? Yes, some of us have been and some of us haven't. I have some tips that will get you PEParation ready. Get it?
The first step is to study. Get your books, pencils, and tablets and go to a quiet area. My mom makes me study at the same time every day, so it's like a routine now. I suggest that you do it as well. Also, ask for help if you don't understand a question. Here's the next tip. Prepare your pencils and eraser and everything else that you need for the exam before going to bed. Then go to your bed early and get a good night's sleep. Wake up early the morning of the exam. Being late can cause you to become anxious. Also, have a filling breakfast. You don't want to be hungry while doing the exam. Ask mommy or daddy to take you to the examination center early. And remember, the new date for the ability test is May 26.
The administration of the ability test will be in all primary level institutions, presided over by external persons contracted by the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information. Given that our grade 6 students will only be required to take the ability test component of the PEP 6, how do we know who goes to what high school? We will use the same methodology we did last year. So having used the ability test and the performance task exams from grade 4 to place our students in high school, what arrangements are there for the makeup of areas of the grade 6 curriculum that were not covered? The ministry will administer diagnostic tests, not to be confused with the ability tests, at the grade 6 level to gather data on the students' achievements of the National Standard Curriculum. Data from this assessment will be sent to the high schools in which the students are placed. This diagnostic instrument will be administered by classroom teachers. You may be aware that the National Standards Curriculum allows for the aspects of the curriculum that were not covered at the primary level to be covered at the secondary level at grade 7. This would require, however, that the number of school days be increased.
Finally, while you are doing your PEP exams, relax and do your best. You've got this. I believe in you.